baked carp recipe, it is necessary to clean the mirror carp of scales. It is better to take a mirror one, because it has fewer scales, and you can safely bake it in its own skin. Inside the carp you need to put potatoes, garlic, herbs, pepper and salt mixed with mayonnaise and sew it up with toothpicks. On top you need to coat the carp with mayonnaise with sour cream, salt and pepper. Wrap in foil so that it is slightly open for air. The oven should be set to 200 degrees Celsius with the fan on. Bake for 40 minutes, 10 minutes before the end. Turn the fish around so that it is covered with a crust. Bon appétit!